All right. Hello, everyone. Glad to be here. My name is Charles WAYN. I'm the co-founder of Galxe. So this deck is not strictly about Galxe. The first half is actually about unlocking Web3 growth. We want to share our insights based on our experience working with a lot of different builders in the space, how you can do and what you should do to improve your growth in terms of the Web3 community. Um, okay, so why is Web3 growth different from Web2? This is a question people always ask. Um, uh, the first one we think is the new attribution, right? The on-chain data, which unlocks a new vertical of user identity information. It's all public. Your on-chain data, your on-chain history, it become another part of you on top of what we've been already doing in Web 2. So with these new attributions, currently, if we're only using any Web 2 solutions, they're not able to, include that Web 3, this Web 3 attribution, take into consideration and, really offer something unique. So for Web 3 growth, this is unique to, only the Web 3 companies, only the Web 3 communities. Secondly, to a lot of projects here, uh, achieving a success in business model doesn't mean they're making a tons of revenue for their company, for the development company. Sometimes to them, that means they have a successful tokenomics. We want to capture more value for their tokens. So this is also unique from compared to Web2 companies. Increasing one of the objectives is increasing value capture in tokenomics. And the last thing is there's a lot of Web3 native campaigns, right? In Web2 worlds, we run ads, we run referral giveaways. Sure, but you can also do those things in Web3, but what's unique in Web3 are, for example, airdrops, for example, quests, right? For example, a lot of learn to earn or gamify the experience for you to build up your community. So those are the three things we think is different for Web3 company to consider when they want to really increase their growth. And then secondly, second thing we want to discuss today is the go-to-market, right? So this is actually same as all Web2 companies. So you want to find your product market fit first. You want to do it at your seed stage. So for this, usually that means you already validated your business idea, the concept, before you start to raise your second round, and then that means you already have some clients willing to try, willing to support, and really need this product and their unique features that's really can solve some existing problem in the space. And second step is after that you want to make it viral, right? Make it viral means people will get addicted to this. People willing to share by themselves, share with their friends, with their other business partners to use your solutions. And then lastly is the turn on business model, because I think if you are able to achieve the first two steps, the last thing is very important, is you want to convert them into a paid clients, paid features. If they're willing to pay, they're getting addicted to use it, that means you are really successful. A lot of people skip the last step. In Web3 world, the last step can also represent something different other than just turn on the subscription model, turn on the paid feature, but also, the token itself can be successful. You start to see the value captured into your tokenomics. And then some of you may have questions. When you do Web2, when you want to grow in Web2 world, you can work with different agencies, different platforms for ads, for user acquisitions. In Web3, is there any companies out there that can help me to unlock the Web3 growth? So in terms of choosing different Web3, choosing different partner who can help you with Web3 growth, there are a lot of platforms out there, including those medias or the, the, the the media outlets who has a lot of traffic, who has a big community already. So these three are the factors that you should consider when you choose the right partner to work with you on your Web3 growth. For example, the first one is pay only for the result, right? You don't want to pay, you don't want to have a high monthly fee, but doesn't drive any result to you. Secondly, you want to make sure they can also really help you plug into a big user base. Lastly, you want to be able to use this one single solution to help to achieve all kind of objectives. And usually, if we take Google Ads as an example, Google Ads can help you do all of these things, right? You pay only for the result. Google lets you to tap into their large user base or their affiliate network. Lastly is, you're able to use Google Ads for user acquisition campaigns, for retargeting campaigns, different things. So then it's the Galxe part. So who are we? We are one of the leading platforms for building Web3 communities. We have about 11 million unique active users. And we have propelled the growth with Optimism, Arbitrum, Linea, and also more than 2,900 partners, mainly with the reward-based loyalty programs. And those are the data about Galxe. So we have about 4.5 million monthly active users, about 450K daily active users. And so far, in the past 2 years, there are a total of 52 million loyalty NFT badges minted on Galxe platforms. This is equivalent to around $10 million in terms of gas fee generated on all the 17 networks we supported. Also, we have about 600,000 daily in-app and on-chain transactions. And lastly, we have about 2,900 Web3 clients. These are the biggest one. These are the few names you probably heard about, including Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Binance. So, in terms of before we jump into what we're doing, the features we're offering, this is also something you can be aware is Galxe is the #1 platform for on-chain loyalty NFT badge issuer. Like I say, we have a total of 52 million NFT badges minted so far. Secondly, we're the #1 D app according to Coinbase Web3. If you go to Coinbase, if you search Coinbase Web3, they have a Web3 portal. We're the #1 according to their daily usage, I guess. And also, we are the #1 growth platform with most daily transactions. So we are able to help you guys, help all the builders here to really let them tap into our existing user base and achieve growth. Also, we're the host of the largest growth campaigns in the space. Last year, we created Arbitrum Odyssey, and also OP Quest. We're the host of Optimism OP Quest. This year, last month, we just had a large event with Linea, Consensus Linea, Voyage, and that one was very successful. We have over 12 million unique addresses participated. And also, we are the largest on-chain KYC solution provider. So a lot of people didn't know we have a feature called Galxe Passport, which literally let everyone to go through a standard KYC process and mint a soulbound token. And we are the largest KYC, on-chain KYC solution. We'll go into this part later. And then lastly, we are the most redirected destination from a lot of wallets, a lot of Web3 browsers. If you have friends working any wallets, they can let you know, what are the most visited website in their D-app browser. Galxe should be one of them. So, our solution, what do we offer, right? First of all, we have a plug-and-play, no-code dashboard for your community manager, for your marketing manager to launch campaigns directly from the dashboard, create new campaigns for different purposes. Like you can create a campaign for user acquisition, or you can create a campaign for increasing your increasing token holding time, right? Or increasing the total number of holders. Second thing, we have on-chain, off-chain verifications all combined together. This means we're able to help you validate users' actions, no matter they're on-chain or off-chain. For example, you want to see if your user have made a trade on your marketplace on-chain. Also, have they followed you on your Twitter account, right? Also, did they join your last AMA on your Discord? You can make all of these requirements as one credential group, and we're able to verify them for you guys automatically. Lastly, we support rewards in different format. We support allow list, tokens, NFTs, badges, and loyalty points. Also, we are able to let your admins to track real-time performance from the data dashboard, from their admin portal. Lastly, we also have a fully customizable credential, Sybil prevention credentials, which include, you probably want to only limit it to users in the US to participate in some certain campaigns, right? Or you want to limit it to people who has a KYC verified. Also, you want to only limit it to people who hold a credit score of above 20 or 30. Just using this as an example, you can fully customize that part and make it part of your requirement. So these are the user interface. Sorry, the image is too small. But what we can do is helping you guys increase the participation, brand exposure, help you identify loyal users, help you increase your brand awareness, help improve your user retention, and lastly, prevent Sybil attacks. So this is the page we're doing. The green box here is basically the requirements. So users have to fulfill these requirements in order to be eligible for claiming some kind of rewards. So we think this is a very Web3 native way to do growth. It combines a lot of people call it Quest, right? A lot of people call it a learn to earn task. Basically, you're able to launch this kind of page directly from the dashboard, setting up different requirements. And then on our part, like I say, the rewards can be loyalty points, can be tokens, can be NFTs, can be allow list, can be a status you want to give it to them. So here, I listed 4 or 5 features we have, but we offer much more than this. I'll just go over this for this conversation, for this presentation. So first of all, it's Galxe Oat on-chain achievement token. Galxe Oat is the largest NFT contract, NFT badge contracts in the world. It's live on BNB chain, Polygon, Optimism, and Avalanche. And in total, we have about 10 million holders, 10 million unique holders across all these 4 different networks. So basically, it allows you to issue a badge without creating a smart contract using the Galxe Oat contract. And users, when they claim this badge, they do not need to pay any gas fee. So it's gasless experience, mint from a QR code, transferable, programmable. The example can be, after I listen to an AMA, you go to Galxe page, you will show you are already eligible to claim a badge. After I attended event here, I can scan the QR code. Or, if I have registered this event, after the event finish, I can go to Galxe, the campaign page. I will probably already see that I'm eligible because I registered. And also join the Discord, following a Twitter, took on-chain actions as well. So Galxe Oat, this is the sample of Galxe Oat. Secondly, this is the Galaxy Passport we mentioned at the previous slide, which is the Sybil solution, where we offer uh, a soulbound token minting for all KYC verified individual. So whoever verified themselves go through the standard strict KYC process. And then after that, they will be able to mint a soulbound token on chain with using their wallet. However, the identity information, and also the association with the address, no one is able to get this data unless the users decide to decrypt it and share it with the third party. Even for us, we do not store the association of between the address and the identity information. But the goal is it's very simple. Now, Galaxy Passport has 400,000 KYC verified holders. That's why we call it, we think this is probably the largest on-chain KYC solution. And, you can literally choose to say, when I set up my campaign, or you want to use it for your own app, right? You want to only limit it to Galaxy Passport holder, because whoever hold this Galaxy Passport soulbound token, that means they're KYC verified. They cannot be verified twice. So this can be a great use case or great integration if you are looking to use it for your own app integration, or when you launch a campaign on Galaxy, you can choose this by default. And this is a Galaxy SDK. So this is more for developers. If you are, you don't want to use Galaxy growth campaign solution, but you more wanted to integrate Galaxy this Galaxy ID or Galaxy Galaxy campaign stuff in your own app. So for this, Galaxy SDK basically give you direct access to all the Galaxy users. Like I say, we have a total 11 million users. Within that 11 million users, we have about 2 million users binded their Twitter account, 1.8 million users binded their Discord account. So this is probably the largest mapping relationship in the entire Web3 space. But we don't share this space, we don't share this data, but developers can integrate Galaxy SDK, and whoever they want is basically authorize the third-party app to have access to your identity information, but you can choose whatever you want to share with them. And then, yeah, this is the new feature we had released recently. It's called Galaxy Loyalty Point System. So it helps you recognize your loyal users, distribute different rewards on top of the points, right? So loyalty point system is basically you can design your own loyalty point system from Galaxy, from your own Galaxy space. You do not have to build anything yourself. You can use our existing solution, our existing data sources to build your own loyalty program for your own community. This is the example of the leaderboard page, the screenshot. But that's all. Our team is here. Feel free to chat with us, and thank you.